Hey everybody, this is Calvina coming back at you guys with another video about the Legacy Builders 2.0. Yes, I have upgraded and I'm going through the training again, and I'm telling you guys the training, it is unbelievable. Okay, if you're a newbie, beginner, same thing. You're looking for a way to earn money, 100% profits, work from home. Check out the Legacy Builders 2.0. Okay? This is the actual training that I'm going through right now. If you're looking for a work from home opportunity, that's a done for you system. It's automated. Okay? Plug and play and you're up just like that. As long as you follow the steps, it won't take you long at all for you to get set up with the system. It is fully automated. It is a done for you system. You will have a video that will work for you 24/7. Okay? You have a self-made millionaire basically giving you her blueprint on how she's made millions of dollars online. And her name is Michelle Oneil. Okay? Michelle Oneil, I will get to that video in a moment. This is the training course that I am going through, guys. Why not you earning and learning? Learn and earn. Earn and learn. Okay? System is set up for you. Fully automated. Alright? It's 100% commissions. Not 50%. Not 60%. Not 70%. 100% commissions go to you. Depending on the payment options that you pick, pretty much up to you, whether it's Stripe, PayPal, Venmo. Okay, just to name a few for you. Alright, the levels, $100. Alright, I think it's the launch pad, $300, which is, I think it's passive profit level. Then you have digital mastery, where I'm at, it's a $600 level. And you got Legacy Builders, which is at the $900 level. Alright. 4 levels. If you want all 4 levels, you get paid on all 4 levels, depending on your decision. If you want to make $100, pick $100. That's up to you. $300, up to you. $600, where I'm at right now. And the $900 level. Alright. I'm getting paid on all 3 levels, guys. Listen. I've been where you've been. Working a 9 to 5, living paycheck to paycheck. I know you've heard it before. Working 5 days, 6 days, sometimes 7 days a week to make ends meet. Don't mean that for that to rhyme, guys. I know what that feels like. When the weekend's over, you're dreading going back to work. You're dreading it. Monday comes, and you're back at work. What about time freedom for you guys? Where, you know what I'm saying? You're trading time for dollars. Right? If you work from home with the Legacy Builders program, guys. Alright? Financial success is not far away from you. Not far away from you at all. With the Legacy Builders program 2.0. Okay? I'm going to let you guys listen to some people that's actually within the Legacy Builders, just basically having success with the Legacy Builders program. Alright, that has signed up to this and they're basically having success with this course. And I will let you guys see the digital community that, I'm in, that has like-minded individuals. Some of them are beginners. Some of the members have been doing this for a long time, and they're seeing success with this system. All right. Again, 100% commissions, done for you system, fully automated. Right? Check out this program. All right. The next thing I want to show you guys is the actual new funnel. Okay? Discover how to earn 100% online, 100% profits, online using a proven blueprint. The step-by-step system has already helped thousands generate daily income without tech skills, a big following, or even their own product. Plus, get instant access to the Freedom Formula Blueprint, PDF, your step-by-step to earning daily income from anywhere. Enter your details now and start today. Okay? This is a new funnel, the Legacy Builders 2.0 course or program. Alright? You put in your email address. This is the next thing that you will see. This is Michelle O'Neil. Okay? A 6-figure earner who's basically giving you her blueprint on how to earn and be successful with the Legacy Builders program. Great thing we also have is a digital growth community of like-minded individuals that are there to help you. If you have any questions, there's tech support, there's live coaching calls, live webinars, trainings. It's just crazy. Okay, that Michelle O'Neil is giving you the opportunity to be successful online with this program. Okay, I'm going to let her do some talking. I'll get back with you guys. Check out Michelle O'Neil. Just giving you the information about the Legacy Builders program. This is not a lie, y'all. This is real stuff. This Michelle O'Neil is real. Okay? This is not a scam. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme overnight. This is not what this is. What Michelle O'Neil is saying, she's the CEO of the Legacy Builders program in the digital growth community. All right? The digital growth community, this is the #1 community within the school, whatever you call it, within that school community. Okay? Digital growth community is the #1 program, school community online. Just to let you guys know that. This is real. Michelle O'Neil is real. I'm real. My name is Calvina. We're going to get back to the video. I just wanted to point that out to you guys. This is real. Alright, I'm pausing it right there, guys. I don't want to watch the video, guys. Just put in the email address. Come to this video, check it out, and you guys see the rest of the video from start to finish. Alright? I want to get to the digital growth community. Within this community, guys, I want to show you, as promised, a little bit of this. I can't show too much in here. Alright? What I said before, you have like-minded individuals within this community. I'm going to show you guys around a little bit. It will help you if you have any questions. Like I said, there's live training, live coaching, tech support back here. If you have any questions, concerns whatsoever, you have the community here that they're just willing to help you. They're awesome, awesome, awesome individuals. Okay, and Michelle Oneil is also back here, as you see. She does announcements on webinars, free webinars that you can invite your friends to if you want, don't want, friends, family, you know, whatever the case is. Okay? And right up here, you got the community classroom calendar, members, map, leaderboards, and about. Alright, we're within the community right now. Okay? This is Michelle Smurder. Don't know how to pronounce her last name, but she's the techie, right? She's awesome. Okay, techie is getting you hooked up with the funnel. One of those funnels I just showed you. Don't necessarily have to be that one. It can be its others. Okay. She will walk you through step by step on how to plug and play everything to get you set up. Okay, and they have it done for you, set up for you, where you can pay for Michelle to actually set you up if you're not that tech savvy, or if you just don't want to be bothered with all that. Okay, this is how awesome this community and actual program is. Okay, you got the classroom here of training. Can't show you guys too much, as you know. What you'll see, get started training here. Okay, calendar where you see live coaching. You know, right here is Monday mentoring Zoom. Okay, just to show you guys, Monday, March 31st, which already happened, but I'm just showing you guys this information, trying to impress upon you. Okay. Like I said before, live trainings, live coaching, you get live mentoring Zooms, webinars, you can invite your friends to, you know, if you want to actually tell them about this awesome system. I'm pretty sure you're going to want to tell them about it. Okay? So this is all that was lined up. So it's the 13th right now. Nothing's lined up on the 13th, but as you see right here, Monday, 8 p.m. Monday, 7 p.m. What is it? Central Standard Time, mentoring Zoom. So tomorrow at 8 p.m. from 8 p.m. to 9:30, and these things, they be packed, guys. This is how awesome the system, this course is. Proper training that will help you be successful online. All within this community calendar right here. Okay, thanks to Michelle. Again, as you guys see, members, I'm not going to get into that, but you guys see that here. I'll show you right over here. Look at this. 51,000 plus members here that has said yes to the Legacy Builders program. Okay. Also, you can introduce yourself. Wins, I will show you guys in a second. Daily videos and replays. Like I said before, daily videos, live trainings, replays, all that good stuff. Mentoring Zooms, all within here. Tech support, tech and login support, and more. wins. Let's get to that. Emily Rose, congratulations. 3 sales, $900 each. This works. Kevin Boosh, passive income, FTW, 2 $900 sales this past week while at my 9 to 5 and the other after alive on Saturday morning. I never thought I'd be able to fuel my passion for helping other women find their confidence and inspire. Congratulations, Kevin, again. Elizabeth Etta, whoa, another $300 while at a birthday party. God, I am grateful. I am speechless. Whoa, the system works. Consistency and coachable will take us all there. I love DGC. Okay, and it goes on and on, guys. All right, look, this is real. This system works. All right, freedom, financial freedom, time freedom. If you want to spend more time with your family, okay, check out the #1 program online, the Legacy Builders program or course. Check it out, guys. See the digital growth community. All right, I'm going to show. I already showed you guys that. What? Okay. Once you sign up, right, get started, they will give you the My Kajabi. This is the training and the exclusive bonuses is all in here too. Okay, access the community. You can access the digital growth community through the My Kajabi also, or you can just go to school.com. The link will be given to you also. This business is done for you, right? It's done for you. You get paid 100% profits. All right. This video, again, right here, is doing the selling for you. You have to sell too. Okay? But 24/7 while you're asleep, someone puts in their email address, this video comes on. All right? And Michelle does the explaining for you. You have these people, the members here that are basically telling you, that they're having success with this system. Okay? So, just wanted to let you guys know on that nugget. This is the course that I'm going through right now. As you guys see, 60 of 129 lessons completed. All right? Then when I get ready to resume course, I just go right here and resume the course. All right? Just showing you guys this. Not supposed to be, but, I just wanted to let you guys on the inside of this. Okay? Access the community. View all my products. This is the tech done for you service. When I was letting you guys know, if you're not tech savvy and you want to pay for Michelle to set you up, she can do that too. Okay? All right, so I wanted to show you guys the new Legacy Builders program 2.0, how awesome it is, showing you guys a digital growth community. Okay? It's done for you system, 100% profit, not 50-50, 100% commissions go all to you. You get paid through Stripe, PayPal, things of that nature. Okay. This video showed you guys the actual funnel. This is one of them, one of many. If you don't want this one, you can change it to another one if you decide to sign up. Alright? Trying to make sure that's it for me, to make sure if I have anything else. You guys seen the community a little bit. See my Kajabi, where the actual training will be, some of it, most of it. Alright? You seen the community, right? Where you have live webinars, coaching, techie support, good stuff back there. Individuals, successful individuals, beginners, veterans, they're all there. 53 or 50, what is it? 53? Yeah, 51,000 plus members that has signed up to this course. Okay, awesome sauce. The #1 course online. The #1 course online. The training is unbelievable that I'm going through right now. Alright, guys, my name is Calvina. I'm signing off. Check out the Legacy Builders program, man. Where you should be at. I'll see you guys on the inside. Y'all have a wonderful and successful day.